Hey everyone, welcome to this lesson, Introduction to Statistics, the Easy and Fun Way. This is designed for high school students in Canada and the US, and I promise it's not going to be boring numbers on a page. A statistic is actually all around you, every single day. So, what exactly is a statistics? At its core, a statistic is the science of learning from data. That means we collect information, organize it, analyze it, and then make sense of it. For example, every time you check your phone, you're seeing data, text messages, social media likes, even polls. Statistics helps us turn all that into knowledge. Why bother with statistics? Well, it helps us understand trends like your hockey team's performance, how popular a song is on TikTok. It helps us make better decisions like whether to bring an umbrella if there's a 70% chance of rain. And it shows us patterns like how much time teens in Canada and the US spend on social media every day. Not all data is the same. We have two main types. First, qualitative data, that's categories like eye color or your favorite food. Second, quantitative data, that's numbers like your height, your test scores, or the number of hours you spend gaming. Both are useful in different ways. Next, two big branches of statistics, descriptive and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics just tell us what's happening in the data we already have, like if average math score in our class is 75. That's descriptive. But inferential statistics go further. They help us predict or draw conclusions about a bigger group. For example, surveying 30 students and using that to estimate the opinion of the whole school. That's inference. One of the first things we look at in the statistic is averages. But here's the thing, there are three kinds of averages. The mean, that's usual average, you know. Add everything's up and divide. The median, that's the middle value, which is great when there are outliers. And the mode, the most common number. For example, if test scores were 60, 70, 70, 80, and 100, the mean is about 76. The median is 70, and the mode is also 70. Same data, but different values. Averages are helpful, but they don't tell us the whole story. Imagine two classes, both have an average score of 75. In one class, almost everyone scored between 70 and 80. In the other, scores ranges from 70 all the way to 100. Same mean, totally different situation. That's why we also care about variability, like the range and the standard deviation. Okay, let's bring this home to Canada and the US. Statistics show us in hockey team stats goals, assists, plus, minus. They show up in politics, election polls that predict winners, and they show up in health, COVID 19 data, vaccination rates, even how many steps you walk every day. A statistic is everywhere, not just in textbooks. So here's the big deal, a statistic is about more than just numbers. It's about asking good questions, collecting data, and finding answers that help us understand the world. And whether you're into sports, science, or social media, statistics play a role. If you want to keep learning statistics the easy way, hit that subscribe button and stick around. I'll be posting short, simple lessons that make math and stats practical and even fun. See you in the next video.